Hi, hello, hola, namaste. Welcome to episode 2 of Solving the Rubik's Cube. And I know everybody has been eagerly waiting for episode 2. Sorry for the delay. Let's get started. And it's done. Now, guys, you would all know how to solve the white face and one layer of the Rubik's Cube. Just kidding, guys. Now let's actually learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. First layer of the Rubik's Cube. And guys, if you didn't see episode 1 of learning the Rubik's Cube, please watch, because when I'm explaining the formulas, it's going to be difficult for you guys to understand it. Step 1 is to find the yellow centerpiece. So, and guys, a big pro tip. Every opposite of white is always yellow, and the opposite of blue is always green. Opposite of red is always orange, and vice versa for each. Step 2 is to find all the white middle pieces. So I see one here, one here, one here, not here, and one over here. Step 3. Our goal is to take all the white middle pieces and make them adjacent to this yellow centerpiece. The end result would be a yellow center and 4 white petals. Step 4 is to get the flower pattern. I'm going to show some simulations on how to get the petals on this yellow center. So the easiest way to get it up is when the middle piece is in the middle layer. So I see one middle piece in the middle layer right here, and all you need to do if it's in the middle layer is turn it upwards, and you'll see now you have this yellow and white. If it's on the other side of the cube, it's still the same thing. Turn the left layer to the top, and I see this is matched. And I don't see any more middle pieces in the middle layer. So I see one right here in the bottom layer. So how am I going to get to the middle layer? What we can do is we either do front clockwise or front anti-clockwise. Those are the two ways you can make them go to the middle layer. So I'm going to do front anti-clockwise. And all you need to do is, as it's in the middle layer, turn it up. But you might notice this piece is already occupied, and what we need to do is we need to turn the top layer either to the left or to the right where there's an open space, and then turn it up. You might see this one is on the top layer and not in the bottom. What we do is the same thing. So this is on the top. All we do is turn it either clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I'm going to turn it clockwise, and I'm just going to turn it up, but this is occupied, so I'm just going to turn it where there's an open space, and boom, that's taken. Although we got the flower, I'm going to show you one more simulation. The other way you might have it is in the bottom with the white. So what we do is we take it, since it's already there, all we need to do is turn it until we see is there an open space. And I see now there's an open space. So what we need to do is we need to turn this right layer counterclockwise. Step 5. Now you may see we have this flower pattern. What we need to do is see the corresponding color for each of the middle pieces. So this is white and blue, white and green, white and orange, and then white and red, and we're back to white and blue. Flower's over, and now you might think he's gonna ask us to do some other symbol. And guys, you might be right. So now what we do, you might see this corresponding color is matching with this blue centerpiece. What we need to do is we need to take the middle pieces and match them with their corresponding centerpiece. So I see this one's already matched, blue and blue. So if it's already matched, all we need to do is turn this face counterclockwise downwards, And now you may see we have this white and we have this blue. Let's do it to the next one. This white and red. I'm gonna turn it. I don't see white and red yet. I see red and red now. So all we need to do is turn it counterclockwise downwards. Next we have white and orange. Orange, blue don't match. And we have orange and orange. All we need to do is turn it counterclockwise downwards. And this one's already matched, so I'm just gonna turn it downwards. Now you may see we have this cross that you guessed right. This is simple. And you also see we have this line shaped with matching with these middle pieces. Now you see the cross and you remember the rhyme. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Step 7 is to find all the white corner pieces. Corner pieces are these 4 corner pieces or any of these 4. And I see 1 white corner piece here along with 2 additional colors. A corner piece always has 3 colors. One over here with red and blue, one over here with green and orange, and one over here with blue and orange. The next step is to take all the white corner pieces and make them on the top. We're going to do this by learning our first formula. The name of this is the first layer formula. The next step is to take all the white pieces and put them on top. So how are we going to do this with our formula? The formula is, first we're going to take the white corner pieces and then we're going to see what are the corresponding colors. And so what we need to do is we need to change our cube angle from like this to this so that we can see these 2 centerpieces and this top white centerpiece. So I see this corner piece right here, and this has blue and it matches right here, and red which matches to this centerpiece right here. So the formula goes like this: Ri, Di, R, D. And now you might see we have this white corner piece on the top and the red matching and the blue matching. And this now looks like a fish pattern. And guys, you might have to do the formula Ri, Di, Ri, D until you see this white color on the top. And guys, don't be mistaken by different types of different corner pieces. Always when you see the white layer on top, please check if this is red and this blue and it's matching. Next, we're gonna do this one. Now, this one, the colors are orange and green, and these are totally different colors. So I'm gonna turn it until I see those 2 colors. Now, I see orange, but I don't see green, so this is blue, so that doesn't work. Now, I finally see green, orange, and white. So what we do is our formula, Ri, Di, R, D. And again, guys, please check if it's a different white top. Next one is this one. This is green, red, and white. I see green, I don't see the red yet. And now I see the red and green. So what we do again is Ri, Di, R, D. And we have one over here, and the colors are matching, so orange and blue. Ri, Di, R, D. I still don't have it on the top, so I'm keep on doing it. Ri, Di, R, D. Ri, Di, R, D. Still not on top. Ri, Di, R, D. Ri, Di, R, D. And now you see we have this layer complete, and you see this full white, and now you see this blue, orange, green, red, and we have this complete bottom layer complete. And you also might notice the centerpieces are also aligning, giving it a T shape. Guys, we did it. We solved 1 layer of the Rubik's Cube. So white, this one red, blue, orange, and green. And guys, remember, the T is important for solving the next layer. Hope you guys had a lot of fun solving the first layer of the Rubik's Cube. And guys, if you have any additional questions, please type it in the comment section. I will try to help you. And guys, if you get really confused, don't get stressed. Just be calm and try again. Bye bye.